for matenase na we dey say boboba ampa an kakra eba na MPP for omu communicator baako a friend Ernest Owusu-Bempah eni nsem bi aba betu ya na say nya ekoso ni secret ni de papa chese one by one nsem no APM na nsem ni na efuyi some Airbus scandal being nsem bi ebetu dwa some time ago me just say nsem no Ghana for pe hu nsem etiye pa concerning our ex-president Mr. John Dramani Mahama ono abra na oye president Ghana na sa Airbus nsem we ebetu dwa Ghana for so ama. Fortunately or unfortunately, ex-president John Dramani Mahama ne office ende ye na abaiwe but ekame akoye say sa Airbus nsem no omunje mu ye. People are still saying say Airbus ne wasi ye hwehwemu because they feel say mampanyi dada ne hu ekem they want to know the truth behind this Airbus scandal ni ne kaka ho. Now according to Mr. Owusu-Bempah through letter tetente the Akwa special prosecutor Mr. Kiti Ejapen say sa Airbus nsem we a omaye di won west ya ye di won kan ye onka ho hwe a wa ye di no e say sa issue no omo start build now omo ye hwehwemu because I say there is more to this Airbus scandal omo came down except we are silent over it as a Ghanaians and I say as a country and we are not really looking into this issue. Enti eno anowaka no nti Mr. Ernest Owusu-Bempah atro e dia hakoma OSP ene ne ga say enti nsem ne de sa adofo ma mengin kan senia Mr. Owusu-Bempah etro nsem no e de koma eye OSP se onye de onye mu hwehwemu mo nsha ase so mo ye Airbus ni mu ehwehwemu ni se di besi no ene ebesi. So I'm saying the Deputy Director of Communications of the New Patriotic Party, Ernest Owusu-Bempah, has petitioned the office of the Special Prosecutor over the Airbus scandal. In the letter, which has been made available, the NPP executive called on the OSP to give the matter urgent attention so as to help Ghanaians put the matter to bed because Ghanaians are still not satisfied. They want to hear something about this Airbus so that to make Nyamani Yina say Ghana for Asumbeju Omono. Ya Asumbeju yen after say Omaye Hwehwemu ewo Airbus. And according to Mr. Owusu-Bempah there, we still need to look into this issue the more so that at the end of the day matters will be resolved. Na Ghana for Yina Asumanju. He explained that with the admittance from Airbus, SE and OSP's own indication that it has an interest in the matter, some agency should be given to it. So see, as you are aware, Airbus SE has admitted to paying nearly $5 billion to resolve foreign bribery and other charges with authorities in the United States, Britain and in France. It's been over a year and the public is still in the dark as to where you are with the investigations. Yes, Mr. OSP, investigations now could do say. Whereas I do not doubt the competence of your office to get to the bottom of this massive international corruption, I respectfully submit and appeal to your good office to take immediate actions in helping the people of Ghana to put this matter behind us. And Ernest Owusu-Bempah further described the scandal, which has been linked to the former president of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, rumored to be government official one, as the biggest corruption scandal ever in Ghana. The Airbus corruption is the biggest corruption case ever. Indeed, payments of bribes were made and received, and the biggest beneficiary, as alleged, was former President John Mahama, condemned as government official one in the U.S. court document. In the other four Airbus scandal, Sekobani se Ghana man penyi dada ne ho ekemu mu a den ye be chinatum ye be ne de ye be punish ye be suspend no na say ye ma no enya kwan me president e wo Ghana hanim se bia na say on stand as flag bearer Emma the party biomana because the working one. These are very big questions. That is why I think there's also been I was say in temparano. OSP etna se na nhwehwemu no oye nhwehwemu akosi na nyina yehu nsem no se ne etinokra ewom ene ne ekega kan ho nti yes recently during his address at the opening of the 2023 Ghana Bar Conference at Cape Coast, President Nnamdi Akufo-Addo made reference to the Airbus scandal. Na just say mampeni onu sineni wo onyaya anka nhwehwemu ne atensem no. Reacting to the allegation by John Dramani Mahama that he Akufo-Addo has packed the judiciary with a lot of politically affiliated people to the new patriotic party. The president used the Airbus scandal as his reference point to taint his predecessor. Not only are these concepts of NPP and NDC charges new in our public discourse, but they are also extremely dangerous and represent the most brazen attack on the independence of the judiciary by any allegedly responsible politician of the Fourth Republic. So see, they provide another reason, if more were needed, why right-thinking citizens should ensure the defeat in 2024 of the man who the first special prosecutor identified as government official number 1 in the still unresolved Airbus bribery scandal. Enti say say Mr. Owusu Bempah etron say no ekogu OSP na boboano aoka trend say OSP please Airbus is no mobile sorry na yenye because ache Ghana for person tie mu nsem na na ebesi no na enti na yina ye ho entoye and for your concern for say Ghana's economy in a mess and the Akufo-Addo environment of course where they are to say obia ka say abai we die o man bo Ghana my economy no anko so it's in a mess but no more sorry they want us to vote them back to power. Ghana for people say it is very interesting say ebe shock you say breaking the 8 they will never be able to break the 8. They will never break the 8 because Ghana has seen Pepe and at this current government they've messed up our economy and all that blah blah blah. And they say almost the Ghanaian economy is in a mess under President Akufo-Addo and then Dr. Bawumia. The country's currency, the cedi, has lost nearly 40% of its value in a single year, the highest in the country's history, according to the World Bank. Or say this has led to sharp increase in inflation, which is now at a 20-year high. The cost of living has become unaffordable for many Ghanaians, and businesses are struggling to operate. See, the government has implemented a number of measures to try to stabilize the economy, but they have not been effective. The cedi continues to depreciate and inflation is still rising. See, the economic crisis is having a negative impact on all aspects of Ghanaian life. People are struggling to make ends meet, businesses are closing down, and the country's future looks uncertain. That is so sad for Ghana, but I hope that we'll surely get someone to rescue us from this mess, an economic mess. Other for comments, no, who keep it comment section, na menje bread, and can kind and from aha, Ghana tip, Łacandal.